Hi guys, welcome to Techie Crate. So today we are going to see about how to enable Google extension in Incognito window. So first, before stepping into the tutorial, let me explain about what is Google Chrome extension. So Google Chrome extension is something like a small add-on or a plugin to Google Chrome, so which will make our task easier. So here if you could see, I've added two plugins. One is Google Keep, the other one is Google Drive. So Google Keep will have all my notes. So if I'm browsing to collect some data and I'm browsing some website and I need my Google Keep notes, I don't need to open an additional tab to open my Google Keep, or I don't need to rely on any other application. So I can simply add an extension like this, and by clicking on that, all my notes will be visible. So it will be easy for me to access. And what is an incognito window? So incognito window is something like a private window which browsing details won't be tracked in the particular system. So if I'm using my friend system or I'm accessing some websites in a browsing center, I don't want some others to know what I have browsed, or I don't want my website data to be stored in that particular system. I can go ahead and use incognito window. So in Chrome, by default, the extensions won't be available in incognito window. Why? Because by the extension, our website browsing data might be stored in that particular system. So that is the purpose Google Chrome intentionally disabled the extension in incognito window. So here you could see, like in my normal Google Chrome window, I could see the extension which I have added here, but in incognito window it won't be there because it is not enabled yet. So to enable that, I have to go to the options, and in that I have to go to more tools, and I have to go to extension. So these are the list of extensions which were added to the Chrome application which I am using. So here I am going to enable save to Google Drive extension to my incognito window. For that, I have to click on details. So here we could see like allow in incognito option. So using this, we'll be able to enable extension in Google Chrome incognito window. So here we could see a warning where Google Chrome cannot prevent extensions from recording your browser history. So the thing which I have said earlier, the extension might save the data which we were browsing. So even we are in incognito window, if that particular extension is meant for storing some data from the websites which we are browsing, the Google Chrome won't be control that. By accepting the warning, we have to enable allow in incognito option. So now I have enabled save to drive allow in incognito window. So now in incognito window, we could see that the particular plugin is got added. So that's it guys. For more videos, subscribe to this video, and if you like this video, please click on like button. Thank you.